I'm gonna be brutally honest here. If you're not doing these 3 things, you're better off just quitting YouTube automation. In contrary to popular belief, YouTube automation is not just a quick cash grab. Yes, you can make a lot of money within a decent amount of time. However, you're better off doing this. Take a look at these results. These are my top performing videos in the last 48 hours on one of my YouTube automation channels. Most of these videos are from 2020. I'll be explaining the 3 things you need to do in order to still get results years down the line, so that in 2025 you can be on a yacht chilling and having the results that I just showed you from videos 3 years ago. Starting off with one that I see happen all the time. A lot of people think YouTube automation is a quick way to make money. Because of that, they simply set up some channel, they upload some videos, and they expect to see crazy results. Usually, absolutely nothing happens, and rightfully so. If you're one of these people, change your mindset. It's not gonna come easy, and it's not gonna be quick money. Now, I get where this is coming from, but that is mistake number 1, and the reason why you would need to stop doing YouTube automation if you're doing this. You're focusing on short-term money. Even though we'd all like to have money so that we can buy Lamborghinis, Range Rovers, go to yacht parties, spend money on trips, whatever you want to do, I get it. But this is reason number 1 you're not going to succeed with YouTube automation. Because you want to make quick money, you're not even gonna get to the money in the first place. You're too obsessed making money, and because of that, you're choosing niches that will allow you to maybe make money right now, but then in 2 years, it's dry and you're not making any money. What's the point of that anyway? You also don't have a clear strategy because you're just focused on making money within a week from now or 2 months from now. But you shouldn't do that. You want to have a vision years down the line of what your YouTube automation channel is going to look like so that you can turn it into an actual brand. My biggest channel has made over 400 and somewhat thousand on AdSense, and it's still relevant as of right now because it has become a brand. I'll be making hundreds of thousands of dollars from that channel from years to come now, and I believe you should aim for that as well. Which leads into number 2, you're not building a brand. Many people think about YouTube automation, once again, as a quick way to make money. It isn't like that. The biggest YouTube automation channels are actual brands. Think about channels like Brightside, Charisma on Demand, The Richest, and there are many, many more. Now here's how you can actually build a brand. Number 1, define your goals. First of all, why are you making these videos and what type of audience do you want to attract with that? Then that leads into number 3, what does your audience get from this? Do they get a community feeling? Do they get value in the form of entertainment, education? What is it they get from the videos? Knowing the answers to these questions will help you understand which type of videos to make in order to build up that brand that you want to create. Step number 2, who's your target audience? I know this sounds boring, but trust me, this is going to help you a lot. If you understand who exactly you're making videos for, you can make videos exactly for that person, which will boost your CTR and boost your watch time so that you can get more views and make more money. Step number 3, what are your successful competitors doing as of right now? What type of videos are they posting? Which videos perform well, and why do they perform well? What can you learn from your competitors that you can simply take and make even better? Number 4, really important, create your brand identity. You can do so through channel art, but mainly through the type of videos and the feeling that it gives to the audience. Most successful YouTubers and successful people in general have a cult following because they're building brand. People know what they stand for, they resonate with that, and because of that, they get a cult following. Channels like Yes Very, entrepreneurs like Iman Gadzi have done this really well. Step number 5, create high quality content. Now by high quality, we mean videos that get high watch time and high CTR. You can boost up these numbers by understanding what your audience would like to see and making exactly that. Now even though you've got all of that down, if you still make mistake number 3, which is not focusing on long-term success with your videos, you still won't get that far, because then you're simply stuck in the rat race because you need to upload a new video all the time in order to get views and make more money. However, if you do the opposite, you can get views even though you're not that active on your channel. You can do this by creating evergreen videos. Evergreen videos are videos that don't have any time limit on them. A year from now, they can still be relevant. 5 years from now, they can still be relevant. And because of that, people can still click it and watch it, and then even enjoy it. Here's how you find those niches and video topics. You want to find a niche that has been around for a while and there are not so many changes happening, and because of that, videos will always stay relevant. I like to apply this rule. If I upload this video right now with this exact title and this thumbnail, and in 5 years from now someone will see it, would it still be relevant for them, yes or no? If it's yes, perfect. If it's no, it's not ever good enough, you need to rethink the title and thumbnail. Here are a few examples of these niches. Number 1, the how-to niche. A lot of tutorial videos will stay relevant forever or for a decent amount of time. For example, think about how to tie a tie. This video right there has millions and millions of views, and even in 20 years from now, it will still be relevant. For example, how to make money. That will always be relevant too. However, the methods that you use in that video might get outdated. So for example, that title, how to make money, will always be relevant. However, the content in the video won't be. So you gotta think about that as well. Infographic videos that don't have any time limit on them. If you put 2022 in the title, that means that in 5 years from now, people are probably not going to be interested. However, if you don't do that and you simply use a normal title that isn't capped by any time or by any specific things happening as of right now, it will be evergreen. And the final but a great one is the cooking niche. Think about it. If you make cooking videos, they will always be relevant because even in 5 years from now, that meal that you cooked right now and showed me how to do it, in 5 years from now, I can still do it because it doesn't change a single bit. You're now ready to do this for the long term and achieve success. Click this video right there to learn more about how you should do it.